So welcome to my channel. This is Binta, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. So today I am making some plantain pancakes. Yes, plantain pancakes. You can use your very ripe plantain to make a delicious, yummy looking and tasty pancakes. Okay, so if you would like to see how I make this, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so here are my ingredients. I have my plantain, and these are very ripe plantains. That's why they're dark. And I have some egg yolk and egg white. So 2 eggs, and I separated the yolk from the whites, okay? I have my milk. This is just 1 cup of milk. And I also have some flour. I have some cinnamon powder, that's optional, baking powder or baking soda, but I am going to be using both. So I'm going to shift 2 cups of flour, as you guys can see. All right, I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I also added a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now I'm just going to mix that together. And now moving on to the plantains, I'm going to be blending my plantains. I'm just peeling them and then putting them in my blender. So you need very ripe plantains, and if you want to know how if your plantain are ripe, super ripe, then you have to get the dark skin plantain. It doesn't mean it's spoiled, it just means that it is ripe, okay? And as you guys can see, these are really soft. So I'm gonna add the egg yolk into the blender. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. So at this point, you can also add your milk, and that's exactly what I am doing. Okay, our plantain is blended, and now I'm gonna pour it into my flour or dry ingredients, and I'm just gonna mix that together. Because it is pancakes, you just want to mix very gently. You don't want like a smooth mix. But yeah, I added all my plantain to it, and I forgot to show you guys that I have some butter as well. So I added 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, and I'm just gonna mix that. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is to add my egg whites to it. So that's gonna be the last step to the plantain mixture, and this part we're just going to be folding instead of mixing. As you guys can see, fold very gently, and this is gonna help our plantain pancakes get super fluffy. So yeah. Alright guys, so our mixture is done, and I'm just gonna let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes before we start making our pancakes, okay? Alright, I added just a bit of butter to my pan and pour some pancake to it. And as you guys can see, it looks beautiful already. I love the color of plantain pancakes. I don't know, maybe that yellow color just makes me excited. And we're just going to flip it after 3 minutes. And I'm making this at a very low heat to prevent it from burning. time around, I'm just giving it like a minute, and that will be it because it is already cooked on the other side. Anyway, so that is it, and our plantain pancakes are done. Add some butter and enjoy with your syrup, and that will be it for your plantain pancakes. Super easy to make, but it is so delicious. And as you guys can see, I did not add any sugar to this plantain mixture, so it's very, very healthy. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye.